Actual experience.
I'm doing it. I'm not doing it.
All right, shall we? Nice and easy. Come on. Hello.
Hello. Come on down. Come on in, everyone. Come on through. Have a seat. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
Take a seat. Take a seat. Go inside. Take a seat. Sorry, Jackson, I've got your bag. Leave it next to you. Next to you. Take a seat. Sit down, please. Keep coming. Take a seat. Keep coming. Slide over, people. Make room for others. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Eyes open. That way. Keep going. Keep sliding. And then some of the big ones can stand to make room for the little ones to get a seat. Big ones can stand. Room for the little ones. There's a seat here. Here. Over there. Little ones sit. Big ones you can stand if you choose to. All right. One more person over there.
You get some points.
There's points.
Yeah, there's
Is
points
there?
involved, yeah.
Okay,
And
interesting.
it's a little bit of a competition.
Right. Okay, you got money on me, do you? I hope my team. I want my team. Nice. Okay. Well, let's so.
I don't
All
I'm
right.
getting the points.
All right, listen up. Bella, could you move this way a bit? Bella. Psst.
It's okay. It's okay. I can get through.
All right, everyone, while you're seated, you stay here. Don't go anywhere. Listen up.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
My name is Matt. I'm one of the owners here at Fear Factory. Hello. 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 What's your name? Hi, Ivory. Do you guys?
Listen, please. Thank you.
So guys, this is my crazy family. This is a photo taken in Fear Factory in Queenstown, because Fear Factory Wellington is our second store. So we actually have another one. Go on.
I'm thinking about really scared of going because I've always been past here, but I've been freaking out of the show I've done
It's
outside.
okay. It's okay. So what we're going to do today, guys, is we're going to turn off all the scares. We're going to turn them all off because they all run on animatronics, so they all run on a compressed air, and then they and they jump out at you. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn off all of the scares, and we're going to turn on all of the lights, and we're going to walk through the maze together, so you guys can see the scary props, but they're not going to move and they're not going to jump out at you. So it's just a chance for you guys to see what it's all about in there without actually getting scared. Yes.
One of my friends told
Don't
me
put it back
that
on.
one of the
They just want to share the secrets with you.
just jumps out at you with a chainsaw.
Yeah, it does. It does. Go on. What's your question?
Did they actually kill you because Moses told us to?
Whoa, hey. What did? Now, people, let's not waste time. Put your hands down. Let the man finish. Let's not waste time. You waste your time, you will not get to go. Simple as
That's
that.
really important. Okay, so you're obviously a few of you are going to be brave enough to do it, but don't think that all of you have to do it because I don't want to upset any of you. So we're going to turn off. Actually, I'll do it right now. We'll turn off all of the scares, and then I can talk to you about how we built Fear Factory. I'm just put it into the camera here.
Did you get that on film?
I got that.
That was cool.
Yeah?
That was cool.
That's always very graceful.
Are we doing the
People, remember,
Okay, so back to the start. This is my crazy family, okay? And this guy here, the little guy, that's my younger brother. And he came back from Canada and he said, I went to this really scary haunted house and we should open a haunted house in Queenstown. And this is 10 years ago now. And my mum and dad said, that's kind of a crazy idea, but okay. And then he started talking to me about it, and I do graphic design, so I do all of our videos and our flyers. And I said, let's do a logo, and then let's look at properties and let's try and make it happen in Queenstown. And so we found a really cool property, and we started planning, and then we started looking at scary props and started building scary props. And then we opened in 2013, and 6 years later it was going so well, we were like, let's open in Wellington, because Wellington's quirky and it's awesome. So this is a little video of how we built Fear Factory Wellington. So this is where it all started. This is how this space looked before we started. That's my dad there. You can see that it's like an old shop, so it's not really very special. And look at all this wood here that we had to get delivered. And that's us putting up all the walls. All the pink stuff you can see is all like prefabricated, so they make all the walls off-site, and then they bring them in as one set. And have any of you guys played with Lego before?
Yeah.
Awesome, okay. So this is what we're doing. We're putting it all together like Lego. So one wall at a time. Boom. And this is my older brother. He's a carpenter, and he made the big ship door here, the big spooky door. So that's it before it was painted. And then we put some frames up around it. And that's what he does for a living. So this is our desk, which is here as well. So it all looks quite different once it's been painted. But once we had the general premise and the layout, this is my mum and dad, so they came down to help me build the place. And there's a big ship wheel there. You see this scary guy? He drops from the ceiling, and this scary guy, this is when our props started arriving from America. So this is my brother, my little brother here, and he does all our animatronic stuff. So these are scary spiders. So those are in the maze, and then this is us testing the big airbag. That's my friend Andy, who's a bit crazy. He was had a few friends come in and help us paint the place. So it's very black and very dark in there. Yeah, my dad did our wallpapering, all the wallpapering here. So it's a real family affair. So when we go in the maze, guys, we're not going to scare any of you. We're just going to walk through together in groups, and we're going to look at all the props as we go through. Okay? And then this guy here works for the Weta Workshop, and he painted the big mural on the wall over there in the corner. Yeah, we have a few props here from Weta Workshop, and they helped us to open.
You will see them later. Put your hands down, lady. Listen
So
first.
that's the logo going up. That was when the desk was first finished, and we used to have some stickers on the door, but we made it all a bit brighter so people can see it a bit better. And that's when this is our first set of staff members, and that's them putting on all their makeup. So we're going to go through some makeup stuff later as well. So they all got spooky. And then this is my first ever customers. And then those are my first ever photos that ever got taken here. So you can see people get pretty scared, hey. And then this is just videos of people that have done it in the past. So sometimes the actors will jump out and scare you. And there's overs and unders and ropes and yucky stuff you have to get through together. So you have to work in your groups to find your way through the dark. And then the animatronics jump out at you. There's air blasts. And then there's also actors come and get you. Any questions? Yes?
Why do you have two legs?
Well, some people have claustrophobia, and when you push people into a tight space, they get really scared. And so when you have to go through a tight space, it's quite scary. So for some people, getting through that part is quite intense. Yes?
Is it scary?
Definitely.
Mommy?
But not today. Okay, not today. We're going to do something that's not scary. Yes? You can do it with it turned on, but only if you want to. Okay. Only if you want to.
Peace.
Yes, you can put
I don't want to turn on. You've done it before.
I what?
I saw you on YouTube screaming.
What? Wasn't screaming? Scream like a man. I scream like a real man.
Hands up. Listen. Before we get too far ahead of ourselves, can I have a show of hands of those who think they are brave enough to do it without getting upset? You got to be sure, because it's very scary, especially for young ones like you, okay? Do we have anyone here who's under the age of 6? Yeah. You're under the age of 6?
You are
Are you 6?
I'm 6. I'm 6.
I'm not surprised.
I think
But as you can see,
if
she's
you're,
fine.
if you're
She's
6
perfect.
or under, it's going to be really scary, okay? So I don't think that if you're 6 or under, you should do it. And that's my honest opinion, because I don't want to upset you.